Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an absolutely gorgeous day. It is nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in the sunny UK. Just going to be showing you how to prune and look after your sweet peas to get more flowers. As you can see here, these are some flowers. The smell is divine. Wow, smell all in the house. So I would suggest putting these little wigwams somewhere near a window. It's just starting to set seeds, which you don't want. As we come down here, this is one that's done a lot better. You can see here, this one is needs tidying it a little bit, but what you need to do is you need to look for the stems here. This is a seed pod. You cut down there, and then put to one side. You need to do this pretty regularly, because the more regularly you do this, the more flowers you're going to get. So, because it's not going to be putting energy into producing seeds, so it's a really sensible thing to do. It's absolutely scorching here, which is great. Like I said, the colours on these are absolutely divine. Look at this one here. I love that. It's like a watercolour. And then one here. Let's get these down there. Like I said, these haven't been done for about 2 weeks, so if you can, you really need to do it. Come out probably twice a week and do this. As you can see down here, these seed pods are really starting to fill up, so that's a lot of energy that's being wasted, and you want to make sure you get every single one, because if you miss any, it's going to start putting all its energy into producing seeds in that pod. That's that one done. Come around here, let's have a look. Like I said, you want to go from top to bottom. I'm lucky because this wigwam here, there's only probably about 6 plants in here, so down there, look at that. And really down here, which I didn't notice, and then that one there. And I'll tie these in once I've cut all these away, because what you're doing when you're cutting these away is you're taking out some support as well, because a lot of these tie onto each other. See these little, this is what a sweet pea uses to cling onto the branches and other bits of sweet pea. So what I'll do with that is I'll tie that into the top there. Once I've got all these seed pods taken out of, I feed these twice a week with either Miracle Grow or Tomorite, liquid tomato food. These were started indoors in toilet tubes, and then they were moved outside as soon as the first frost had passed. So yeah, one there, and then one there as well, which is quite bound in there. See one in there? See that one there? That's all twisted, but I think we nearly got there now. Just another one there. Is that about it? Ah, see here, that pod there, just that flower's gone past its best. Yeah, if you've got any questions about sweet peas or pruning any other plants, just message me in the comments and I'll get back to you quickly, because I know how frustrating it can be if you want to know something and you message somebody and it just takes forever. That's that done. Yeah, that's all that. Not taking long, just only a couple of minutes. That's all that dead-headed prune back. And what you need to do then is just tie that in then and clean up. Just one more. So you think you've got them all, and then boom, there's one last one there. So yeah, all that will put a lot more energy back into the plant now. I'll get a lot more flowers. Like I said, I'll just tie that back in. That's after prune your sweet peas back to get more flowers. If you have any questions about anything going in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.